Introducing new features and robust inference for linear models. Reliable standard errors are crucial to your research. That's why Stata has long provided robust and cluster-robust standard errors for many estimators. Now, in Stata 18, we've added even more features for robust inference. Robust and cluster-robust standard errors are available for more models. HC2 robust and cluster-robust standard errors are available for more models. These standard errors can provide reliable inference in cases where the standard estimator performs poorly. And multi-way cluster-robust standard errors are now available in linear models, including fixed effects panel data models. Learn more at stata.com.